Hey guys, guess what day it is today?
You know what it is! It's Taco Tuesday!
Yes, you got it right. It is Taco Tuesday. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make taco tortillas from scratch. And then it's gonna be a shrimp tacos, a grilled shrimp spicy taco. Anyway, without further ado, let's dive in. And for those of you new here, my channel is about photography, everything lifestyle, beauty, and travel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can be part of the fam. Like this video so I'll know you like videos like this, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss when I post a new video. I have some flour here, and then I'm gonna add baking powder. So I'll be using this. Baking powder. Some of it thin. So in this I'm gonna mix all the dry ingredients. So I have my flour, baking powder, some salt. I'm gonna put some tablespoons of the vegetable oil. So I am put this kind of together, and I'm gonna add in some hot water. If you have a mixer with the dough hook, you can use that. So just mix it slowly so it won't splatter. It's gonna have this gooey, doughy consistency. Make sure it comes together, and then you'll transfer it to your workspace and knead it and kind of cut it. So this one, because I already have my tortilla wrap, so I'm just making this small batch. So you can see it's gooey, kind of this consistency. So I'm gonna put my workplace mat, and I'll see you in a bit. So I'm gonna cut it into 4 pieces, and then kind of make sure it's in a circular form as well. Use your hands to press in. Another easy way is you can roll it into balls and press it down. Press it down. So like this, like so. Press it down. I'm gonna do this one too. Oh. Press it down, and yeah. Right now I'm gonna cover it for some minutes to let it kind of rise, and I will come back later when it's ready to be done. Just take your cling film and cover it like so. Ugh. So guys, I cut my hand, and it's really hard to walk without a thumb. I'm gonna go over with this clean cloth towel. Hey guys, so I'm back, so about to roll it now. So I'm gonna set this ones to the side. Just sprinkle in some flour, and then flour your rolling pin so it doesn't stick, and just put some. I'm gonna finish roll. So you want to do it, roll it like so thin, you know, depending on how big you want your tacos anyway. Then you want to make it so thin that it's see-through so it will cook well. I'm gonna set this aside and kind of roll the other ones, and I will see you in a bit. Hey guys, so I have my cast iron skillet. I have finished rolling the tortilla, so I am gonna let it kind of heat a bit. And yeah, guys, don't do this at home, it's hot. So I'm gonna place in the tortilla and let it kind of cook till it's like a bit brown, or you know, kind of looks like tortilla. So while that is cooking, I'll come back to it. I'm gonna show you my shrimp. My shrimp has been marinating for maybe an hour or so. I'm gonna show you what I use to marinate. Feel free to use whatever you have. So I have the spices from Fitment Cook. So any Cajun Creole seasoning, Cajun seasoning, it's amazing. So this is the Southern Creole seasoning. And then I also put like green lime chili just to kind of give it a zesty, you know, taste. Which inside is just green bell pepper, you know, coconut sugar, green chili, cumin seed on. So, you know, crystallized lime and all. And then I have like his C1, which is just a mix of herbs like, you know, lemon peel, celery seed, you know, turmeric and all that stuff. So you can use cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic, and just whatever seasoning you have. So let's go back to the tacos. As it begins to bubble, that's when you want to flip it. You have to do it carefully because, yeah, so now this is weird for me because I'm using just one hand. I don't want to break it apart. So then you just flip it. Yeah, you can see behind is like, you know, done taco-ish. Easy peasy. So just wait for like a few seconds and then you put in the next one. So kind of oil the pan. And I am gonna cook the shrimp. So now the pan is nice and hot. So I'm gonna fix it in a bit, guys. So with the shrimp, you know, once it turns into a pinky color, that means it's done. So you cook each side maybe a couple, like 2 minutes, and then flip it. Make sure it's fully cooked. Yeah. So now we're gonna do minutes, then we are done. I'm gonna show you a sauce that goes with the shrimp tacos. So actually 2 sauces, but the other one I showed you in the previous video, which I will link somewhere here. So that's the cilantro lime sauce. Right now we're gonna make a new one. So you'll need sour cream for this, but I don't have sour cream. My substitute is Greek yogurt, so I'm just gonna do Greek yogurt and lemon juice or apple cider vinegar or some vinegar, you know, mix it, it will form sour cream. Then I'm gonna put in some mayonnaise. So because it's just me, I'm not doing so much, so I'm just gonna take equal portions. So that's like 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna put in some garlic powder, just like a dash, and I'm gonna put in some lemon juice or lime juice, whichever one. And then I'm gonna add in some sriracha. So if you don't have sriracha, feel free to use any chili sauce or even cayenne. So I'm just gonna squirt a bit and kind of stir. So I'm gonna pour the sauce in here later to store, but and then to kind of give it that kind of look. I'm gonna get a funnel so I don't make a mess here. This is what we are all looking at. This is the homemade tacos and this is the store-bought tacos. You can, guys, everything homemade is awesome, but it's just not perfect, you know, it's not that circular. And I got just my lettuce. I just want to show you an example of how I'm gonna use it. I got my grilled shrimp and these are my toppings. So for my toppings, I have pico de gallo. So basically tomato, onion, cilantro, jalapeno. So you can use any green chilies or whatever, and salt and pepper. Mix together. Then I just have extra cilantro or coriander for toppings. I got some sweet onions, some jalapeno for toppings. I have the purple cabbage and I have some lettuce and then some avocado. So one secret with avocado, once you cut it, just sprinkle some lime juice so that it will not be browned. Yeah, and then we got some lime. And for the condiments, my cilantro lime sauce, which is in my previous video, a day in the life of me, Ramadan edition. So make sure you go check that video. I'm gonna link it up here. And then this one is just a store-bought. It's just a store-bought salsa. So I will insert the picture here. And look at my cute taco holders, guys. I can't wait to use it. And then and then this shrimp taco sauce that I made. So yeah, let's get to work. So I'm just gonna take one taco and kind of sit it right here, and I'm also gonna put in some crunch cabbage, some of the cabbage. Sorry, this is not the best sauce. And I want to put some lettuce as well, but you can do, you know, however you want. Oh, 1 second. Let me readjust the camera. So I have some of these, and then put some pico de gallo, some avocado, obviously. And guys, you can put whatever toppings you want. Just use what you have. I don't know, I love saying those terms. Use what you have. And then obviously, I'm gonna put in some shrimp. I'm gonna put like 3. And then for this one, I'm gonna try this sauce that I just made. So you can see, just kind of see, that's why I like the squeeze bottle. And then one more thing, for those of you, you know, on a low carb diet, you can use lettuce or whatever wrap, you know. So enjoy. Please let me know if you make this. I'd love to see how you twist your own recipes, and please tag me. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. Thank you guys, and